Hi, in this tutorial you will learn how can you check the assignments that a teacher has given to you to complete it on your book. Always remember, classwork is the tab where you have to click. In this you will see the exercise. For example, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this it is showing all the chapters. Check the other posts to see what is the work that has been done in the class. So here is it. So in this way you can complete all the exercises which a teacher has uploaded with the different titles. And in order to submit your work for checking, you can see the chapters have been mentioned separately for checking. That is chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to submit chapter number 5 for checking, I'll click on it and add a private comment. Always remember, in case I'll add class comment, what will happen? My work will be copied by other students. So in order to avoid it, I'll always go for private comment and attach my file in the form of PDF or any image. For example, in this case I have an image that has to be attached over here. So I'll pick it from my gallery. I'll pick that photograph from the gallery and attach it. As soon as it is attached, I'll click on mark as done. And I'll submit the assignment to the teacher. So it has been submitted as it is showing handed in. So in this way you can submit your work for checking to the teacher. I hope you like this video. In order to see more videos like this, please post a comment below. Please like, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any suggestions, please write it in the comments below. Thank you.